Hello and welcome to another Alabrave YouTube lesson. Today we are going to talk about notes, their values and their symbols. It's important to know that a note in music means a symbol used to represent sound. Sounds can be short or long, and this can be simplified in terms of beats, where we have on the board as shown. So we start with the basics. The first symbol I have is kind of an oval. The name of this symbol, which represents a note, is a semi-brief. However, you will also call it whole note. Secondly, we have a minim. A minim has a head and a stem. The head is not shaded, and therefore it's also called half note. A crotchet is the next one, and a crotchet looks similar to a minim. The difference is a crotchet is shaded. Next we have a quaver, and a quaver also looks like a minim and more resembles a crotchet. However, it has a tail and the head is shaded. How do we interpret this? I have grouped them in terms of beats, and in most cases, the crotchet is usually given one beat, that is 1. As you move down from the semi-brief to the quaver, you will be dividing the time values by 2. In this case, a semi-brief is going to be made up of 4 crotchets. Divide 4 by 2, you get 2, meaning which is made up of 2 crotchets. At the same time, divide a minim by 2, you get a crotchet. A crotchet is given the value of 1 beat. You divide a crotchet by 2, you get a half, and therefore the quaver receives a half beat. So it is important for you to recall a crotchet is given 1 beat, 2 crotchets will give us a minim, and 2 minims will give us semi-brief. However, half of a crotchet is a quaver, and 2 quavers make 1 crotchet. Now let's put this into practice. 1 semi-brief is equivalent to the sum of 4 crotchets, 4 beats. For example, if I start with the crotchets, those are 4 continuous crotchets. That period or the time value will be represented by 1 semi-brief. That is, so you can play them in practice. 4 represented by 1 long one. 4 short notes, 1 long note. The long note in this case, the semi-brief. Good. After practicing the semi-brief, we can also practice the minim. A minim will be 1 long note representing 2 crotchets. In this case, and therefore the time value for a minim is equivalent to the time value of 2 crotchets added together. And lastly, we have a crotchet, and the crotchet is made up of 2 quavers. So the time value represented by two quavers can be played as one note, a longer note than a quaver. In this case, so the two faster notes are the quavers. And that's what it means by time values. Now, let's put the theory into practice. I have used the phrase, hello people, to make it be applicable in the theory that you just learned. I have used three notes, the crotchet, the quaver, and the minim. You will notice when we have one crotchet, it is represented by two quavers. However, we are going to break this also further into two so that one minim will be represented by two crotchets. So let's dive in it. We can sing it out that hello people, hello people, hello people, hello people, using crotchets. The same hello people using quavers. We break it into two. So we have hello people, 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 hello, hello, hello people, hello. Now in this case, we can also use the marker pens to represent the crotchets. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hello people, hello people, hello people, hello people, hello people, hello people, hello, hello, hello people, hello people, hello people, hello people, hello, 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 hello people, hello people, hello people, hello people. So, the top of the marker pens represented the beat, the time value for one crotchet. You will realize when we got hello people, it was two sounds appearing in one beat. Hello people, hello people. It's all within that particular time duration of a crotchet, and that's why we say that a quaver is half of a crotchet, and therefore two quavers make up a crotchet.